Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Happy Rakshabandhan to all of you. So finally, here is the most requested video for all of you. I have received so many messages that please do a Rakshabandhan makeover, please do a Rakhi look, and finally here it is. So let's head to the video. So I have already moisturized and primed my face, and now I'll begin with concealing my face. For that, I'll be using LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer. Now I will blend it. So my concealing is done, and now I will begin with my foundation, and for that I am using Huda Beauty foundation in the shade Macaroon 230N. For eyebrows, I am using Swiss Beauty Shape My Brow 01 palette. Always blend your eyebrows well. Finally, my eyebrows are done. Here I am using Maybelline New York Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Light Medium 20. Now I'll contour my face using Neon Contour Palette. Now I am using Huda Beauty Desert Dusk Eyeshadow Palette, and for the transition shade I am using Blazing. This is slight brownish shade. I am using it as a base for my eye makeup. Next, I am using Savannah Colors Luxury Velvet Eyeshadow Palette and using the dark brownish shimmery shade. Now, I am mixing my colors with a light brownish shimmery shade with a blending brush, and will blend all these three colors together. Now, to give it a twist in my eyeshadow, I am using a goldenish silverish shade and will apply it in the middle of my eye. अब मैं अपनी हुडा ब्यूटी पैलेट से OVD और सैफरॉन शेड को यूज़ कर इसे अपनी आँखों के नीचे लगाऊंगी, और याद रखना इसे थोड़े पतले ब्रश से थोड़ा मोटा लगाना, ताकि जो आपका काजल हो वो उस पर अच्छे से लग पाए। अब मैं अपने आईलाइनर के लिए इन कलर कॉस्मेटिक्स का जेल आईलाइनर यूज करूंगी ब्लैक शेड में, और उसी से अपना आईलाइनर और काजल दोनों लगाऊंगी। will brush off the loose powder which I have applied under my eyes and cheek area. Now with an angular brush I will blend the contouring which I did earlier. Now I am applying the blusher and will be using all these 3 shades together. For highlighter, I am using Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold 100 and will be applying it on my cheekbone, eyebrow bone, nose and chin. Now I am using this curler for my eyelashes. I got it from Miniso. Here I am using Maybelline Master Chrome Volume Express Hyper Curl Mascara. For the lipstick, I am using Lakme Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek Color in the shade Crimson Silk.
So this was it for this video. I hope you really liked it. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and comment down below if you have any suggestions for my upcoming videos. 3, 2, 1, boom!